Hi guys, thank you for joining me on this beautiful day. Today we're going to be making this summer sausage sopa. Try to say that 3 times. Okay, let's have fun making this. And here we have just a few of our ingredients, which is potatoes, cubanelle pepper, carrots, celery, and a bunch of other ingredients. Here's the list. So let's go ahead and start cutting these vegetables, guys. We'll be done in no time. We're just gonna chill, relax, and listen to a little bit of music while we're cutting these vegetables, okay? Now, depending how many people you'll be cooking this soup for is whether you'll have leftovers or it would be completely gone. This soup is a personal favorite of mine. I grew up with my mother making it, and it brings me so many beautiful memories of my mother. I truly do miss her, and I'm so grateful to be able to try to even cook the recipes that she used to make for me. I don't think you'll be crying too much cutting these onions. Yeah, it's pretty quick. Try not to take too long. And if you like, you can have some white rice on the side, already cooked, and add some white rice to your sopa if you like. You can have a slice of avocado, you can have toasted bread or just, regular bread, preferably like Italian bread or water bread, which is what they say in Spanish, pan de agua, um, or baguette. That's really good too. This soup is hearty, it's very filling. Try to have a bite of salchichon in every spoon. Oh, it's so delicious. Once that's all cut up, we're gonna go ahead and start sauteing our summer sausage. Do not add oil because the sausage is going to release that fat and it's going to cook in its own fat. And it's really delicious, okay? And now we're going to start adding our vegetables once the summer sausage is all sauteed, okay? And it's in no time, it sautés very quickly. So do not leave that pot unattended, okay? You're going to be staying here and adding ingredient one after the other until the soup is ready to boil. And let me tell you guys, this smells amazing. Definitely keep some of the summer sausage out on the side because you're going to be eating it while you're cooking. And you're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of sofrito. And here I have 1 tablespoon of tomato paste in a half cup of water. If you like, you could use tomato sauce, but I did not have, so that's why I used tomato paste. Here I'm using the Better Than Bouillon beef base, and just about a teaspoon of that. And if you have the chicken one or veggie one, that's fine too. It'll change the flavor up a little bit, but not that much, okay? It'll still come out super delicious. I actually did not grow up with the corn on the cob and the soup. Not sure why, but I love corn on the cob in my soups because it retains all that flavor. So trust me, you're not gonna want to miss the corn on the cob in your soup. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the Fidelini noodles. If you do not have these noodles, you can go ahead and use angel hair. It's just as thin. And you're definitely gonna want to crush these because there are a few times I have added like kind of like whole pieces and that is not good because you're just gonna have a chunk, a glob of noodles there, okay? And do not, I mean, unless it's the last resort, do not use regular spaghettis because it's too thick for a sopa. I just feel like it's too thick. I don't like it at all. And I say that because the spaghetti noodles does not retain the flavor of the soup, but a thinner noodle of course will. Now I forgot to show it here, but you're gonna want to add your cilantro right before your soup is done, or as soon as you turn it off, which is fine. It's gonna add that nice good flavor right at the end. And we're done, and I hope you had fun making the soup and enjoy it. Please let me know if you shared it with anyone, or you did you have leftovers, or were you able to eat it all in one day. And let me know if you added any other ingredients that I might want to try and add to mine. Thank you and have a good day.